It's important to talk about money with the people who matter most to you, even though it may feel awkward. Here are 5 tips to help you make these conversations more comfortable and productive. 1. Keep your cool. Don't point fingers, swear, name call, or blame the other person. Treat the person you're talking to the way you want to be treated, with respect. 2. Listen more than you talk. Put yourself in the other person's shoes, not literally. And don't interrupt. Focus on understanding their position before explaining yours. 3. Don't play the blame game. You'll probably make the other person angry and defensive if you say something like, "You idiot, you didn't save any money to pay your share of the rent." Instead, explain where you're coming from, like, "I am frustrated that you can't afford your share of the rent." 4. Count to 10. Money disagreements are sometimes better solved slowly. Try to break the larger issue down into bite-sized pieces and discuss each problem over time. 5. Agree to disagree. It's okay to not always see eye to eye about money. If you can't find common ground, simply agree to disagree. The goal of a money conversation shouldn't be to agree on everything. It should be to understand each other's viewpoints.